I just want to share a quick project I built where I scrape information from different tools, OTRS and then other internal tools. So I'm just going to share what the sheet looks like before I do my scraping. So you just have an idea of the amount of data I'm scraping and the amount of multiplicity I face when it comes to scraping this information. So this is the information we're going to be filling. So this is ticket ID, the service plan, the serial number, the date of entry, time of exit, the RFO, the OLT. So those are just a couple of few informations where that I scrape. And I also scrape a lot more. I scrape from also other internal tools. So the problem the project was solving was doing this manual process, doing this for 80, 100 tickets can be tedious and boring. And like I always say, as long as you're working with your computer, there's no amount of tasks you can automate. We're getting to the point where almost everything is going to be automated. So I just built a quick application that does that for me. So let me share the screen of the application. It's called OTRS slash BDT ticket scraper. So it just scrapes a few informations from those tools, OTRS and BDT, and populates, gives me the option to download it or pull it, push the information into Google Sheets, and also gives me the option to for Zoho Sheet. This implementation isn't practical yet, so we might need to just use only download. And I can also browse for tickets and push my own Excel file into the application, and the application will scrape the information for me. So this is just a quick rundown of what it does. So once I click on run, it's going to start scraping the information for me from OTRS and other internal tools. I can share some now, but that's what I could share. So just know that it's a lot of it's opening. So that's the application in action there. So it's just going to open the ticket ID, scrape the ticket entry and exit time, scrape a couple of other information, and populate my sheet for me. Like I always say, I also believe that whatever boring or complex tasks you have, it cannot be automated. As long as it's a keyboard and a mouse action, it can be automated. So that's a quick brief of the software. So I don't want to take so much time to show you what it does. So neither do I want to share so many information. So once we finish scraping, it's going to just show me the information I need on the sheet. If you want to collaborate on the project, I'm open. We can make it more robust to suit your need. And if you also want to work with this, I can give you the GitHub link where you can just copy the project and suit to your taste. I've been on this project for 3 years. There's nothing on the internet like this. I've been surfing and researching for 3 years until I was able to find a library that could do this. So the tech stack I use for this project is Python. Playwright is a library. Um, GB spread. Is that did I say that word? Yeah, GB spread, and also Streamlit was what I use for the UI for the for the application stack. Yeah. So that's a quick brief of what the project is and what it does. So give it a few minutes, it will populate. So the application has scripts the information for me. Let me go to the application. So this is it. So here you have the ticket ID, you have the customer ID, you have the date he entered our queue, date he left our queue, the RFO that was used to close the ticket, the customer service plan, and a bunch of other information. Yeah. And I can download this as an Excel file. Boom. And if I want to push the file to Google Sheet, I can also integrate that feature there for you. So if you want to collaborate, you have more complex tasks you would like to automate, you have some data entry, some complex tedious tasks you would like to automate. My emails are always open. Um, you can also find me on LinkedIn if you want to reach out. It's Stampity on LinkedIn. So So it's Dankpeti on LinkedIn. I'm open to see what more cool things we can automate. Yeah. Welcome to the new age.